Hello. So I'm sharing with you the video that I took when we went hiking. That was after a snowstorm or a snowy day. It was such a lovely day, even if it was cold outside. It was minus 19 degree Fahrenheit. However, we wore warm clothes, and we had everything from top to bottom, so we were able to withstand the cold. And as you walk or hike, your body gets warm, and that was why even if it was cold, we were able to do this hiking. So I am really obsessed with a waterfall that's frozen during the winter, because it is really very beautiful and magical. So every time winter comes, I make sure that I see or visit a waterfall, and this waterfall is actually very close to us. It's only 30 minutes drive, and the trail is not bad too. It's kind of just a little bit of uphill and downhill. It's not as steep, so it's very doable during the winter season. When we went there, the trail was really fluffy with the fresh snow. It was nice, lovely, and there were only two of us in the trail going to the waterfall, and so we had this place to ourselves. We took a lot of photos. We enjoyed looking at the frozen water. There were icicles. And when you're in a company with a person who also like what you do, and just hanging out together, it was really, really fun. And I am thankful for my friend here who joined me. It was an unplanned visit or hike, and even if it was cold, we had this connection that we like nature, so we want to experience this beautiful scenery and look at the waterfall. So as you can see there, I used my drone to get a good shot. There were some trees that really I don't want that trees to be an obstacle for my drone. That's why I wasn't able to really flew it very high. However, it is such a good result, and it was able to capture what I want to capture. And after this hike, we were rejuvenated. We really love hiking in nature, and then we went to a nearby restaurant because we were craving for soup, which was very appropriate or nice after a cold hike. So thank you for watching, and till next time.